Welcome to PrimePix Lab. The best magnesium anode rod is probably one of the most overlooked components in your home, but it plays a vital role in protecting your water heater. These rods are designed to sacrifice themselves to corrosion, extending the life of your water heating system. In this video, we'll dive into why these little rods are so important and how to choose the right one for your needs. Number 5. Camco Atwood RV Water Heater Anode Rod. Are you looking to extend the life of your RV water heater? This anode rod is designed to absorb corrosive elements. It protects your water heater tank from rust and damage. This rod acts as a shield for your water heater. It draws in corrosive elements, sacrificing itself to prevent galvanic corrosion. This helps extend the life of your tank. This product is specifically designed for Atwood-style aluminum RV hot water heaters. It's a perfect fit for your RV's water heating system. Made with high-quality magnesium, this anode rod offers optimal performance and durability. It measures 412 inches in length with a 5/8-inch OD. Featuring 1/2-inch NPT threads, installation is effortless. You can easily swap out your old anode rod for reliable tank protection. It's a simple upgrade for your RV. What we like. This anode rod is specifically designed for RV water heaters, ensuring a perfect fit. It's built with premium magnesium for optimal performance and durability. If you have an Atwood-style RV water heater and want to extend its life with a reliable and easy-to-install solution, you should consider this one. What people say. Fit perfectly in our 1986 Holiday Rambler. This anode rod fit perfectly in our 6-gallon travel trailer water heater. Flush the tank out and remove the sediment buildup. Install some Teflon tape. Put the new rod in and you're good to go. Problem solved immediately upon replacing. This is great. Number 4. Flexible Magnesium Anode Rod for Water Heater. This magnesium anode rod is designed to work with various water heater brands, including Rheem, Reliance, and GE. It uses a standard 3/4 NPT connection, making it a versatile choice for many models. This makes it easy to find a compatible replacement. The anode rod corrodes faster than the water heater tank itself. Regular replacement, typically every 2 years, can significantly extend the life of your water heater. This saves you money and the hassle of replacing the entire unit. This 44-inch rod is split into 4 parts, each less than 12 inches long. This flexible design allows for easy installation, even in tight spaces. You can also cut it shorter with a hacksaw if needed. Magnesium anode rods offer superior protection compared to aluminum rods. They produce a stronger current, effectively preventing corrosion in your water tank. This ensures your water heater remains strong and reliable. The package includes one 44-inch flexible magnesium water heater anode rod. Routine replacement is simple, just inspect it every 2 years. This helps maintain peak performance, keeping your tank safe and worry-free. What we like. This anode rod features a flexible design, making it easy to install even in tight spaces. Magnesium rods are known for their effectiveness in preventing corrosion. If you are looking for a convenient and effective solution for your home water heater, this is a great choice. You should consider this one if you want to save money and time. What people say. The segmented, hinged design is brilliant. It bent easily to snake it up and into the tank without having to dismantle anything around the water heater. For anyone with a water heater in a tight, awkward space, this flexible rod makes a necessary maintenance job actually possible without calling a plumber. This rod is perfect for tight clearances. Number 3. RV Water Heater Anode Rod, 2-pack. This is a 2-pack of high-quality magnesium anode rods. They are designed to protect your water heater from corrosion. This will help extend the life of your water heater. Made from pure, non-toxic magnesium, this anode rod is safe for use. It effectively prevents corrosion inside your water heater tank. This ensures clean and safe hot water. The anode rod is designed for easy replacement. You can replace it in minutes. This helps prevent corrosion and extends the life of your water heater. This anode rod is compatible with various RV and camper water heaters. It also fits some home water heaters. The size is 9 1/4 foot long with 3/4 thread. The anode rod is a necessary part to keep your water heater lasting longer. It will be consumed over time. Replacing it regularly saves you money and keeps your water heater working efficiently. The package includes 2 magnesium anode rods. Please note that sealing tape is not included. Make sure you have everything you need for the replacement. What we like. This product comes in a 2-pack, offering great value and ensuring you have a spare on hand. It's made with pure, high-quality magnesium, which is safe for your water. If you like the idea of having a spare and want a reliable anode rod for your RV water heater, you should consider this one. What people say. An exact match to the original. Fit my 2021 Forest River water heater tank. Worked perfectly and I grabbed another, because it was a pair, for next year. Does the job. Number 2. Flexible Magnesium Anode Rod Kit for Water Heater. Is your water smelling unpleasant? This magnesium anode rod is designed to prevent your water heater tank from corroding. It's a cost-effective solution to protect your investment. This 44-inch flexible anode rod is segmented into 4 parts, making it easy to install even in tight spaces. You can easily adjust its length with a hacksaw if needed. The kit includes the anode rod, Teflon sealing tape, and a 27mm socket. This makes replacing your water heater's anode rod simple and convenient. Everything you need is right here. This anode rod fits a wide range of water heaters, including those from A.O. Smith, Rheem, and GE. It uses the standard 3/4 NPT connection, ensuring compatibility with many models. Anode rods are designed to decay, protecting your water heater tank. Regularly replacing this rod, about every 2 years, will keep your water heater running strong and reliable. Don't wait until it's too late. What we like. This anode rod is flexible and comes with all the necessary tools, including a socket and Teflon tape, for easy installation. It's designed to be easily replaced, ensuring your water heater stays protected. If you are looking for a complete, hassle-free solution for your water heater maintenance, you should consider this one. What people say. The rod's folding aspect made installation simple, and the included 1 to 1/16 socket was of good quality and made removing the old rod simple. The included socket is a 27mm one and worked well with my A.O. Smith 50-gallon heater. The replacement anodes was easy to install with the segmented sections as I had less than 3 feet clearance. Number 1. Michigan City Water Anode Rod for Water Heaters. We are proudly located in Southeast Michigan and happy to help. Feel free to reach out anytime, and you'll likely be chatting with David, a real-life 5th-generation plumber. He can answer any questions you have before and after installation. This product fits almost all water heaters, including Rheem, Reliance, Kenmore, and more. You can be certain that you won't have any leaks by using the included full roll of pipe sealing Teflon tape. The large roll leaves you with plenty left over for the next time you check the anode rod's condition. Our instructions are written by Michigan plumbers. They are easy to follow, step by step, printed, and registered. Our licensed plumbers and instructors have decades of experience. They gathered and documented exactly how they've installed anode rods, and we have included every step in our manual. The lifetime socket is designed specifically for anode rod removal. The chrome plating is just protective, but the core steel is real chrome vanadium for strength and perfect for abuse. Even if your water heater is located in a small or tight space, this 44-inch long rod is hinged into 4 segments, less than 12 inches long each. Each segment can be easily lowered, one by one, into your water heater. If the overall length is a little too long, just safely cut it shorter with a simple hacksaw. What we like. This product includes a lifetime socket, making removal and installation a breeze. It also comes with detailed instructions written by experienced plumbers. If you like the idea of having expert support and a high-quality tool for the job, you should consider this one. What people say. Very nice kit that includes everything needed to replace the anode rod in a water heater. The multi-link magnesium rod makes it so much easier to install in cramped water heater closets. The included instructions were well written, easy to follow and made the whole process in replacing the anode rod very easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.